You already read the title. Got a pair of chinos that don't fit quite the way that you want? Easy fix. Long intros are really annoying. Let's go. Grab a fabric measuring tape to measure from the very bottom of your chinos up to where the middle of your knee is. Now we want a nice, smooth, gradual taper that starts at the bottom and ends at the kneecap. Mine is 25 inches or about 63 centimeters for my Euro bros. Scotty doesn't know, so don't tell Scotty. Grab some clothespins from your grandma and pinch the sides of the inside of your pants to get a general idea of the new fit that you want. The very top pin is just an indicator of where my knee is, remember? I'm adding 4 more to get the general structure that I want. And depending on how tall or how short you are, you might use 6 pins or even 3. There's no hard and fast rules to the clothespins placement. Just make sure that they're equally spaced and even on both of your legs.
I think you should subscribe.
Now drop it like it's hot, like you're mushroom stamping a kid who you just no-scoped in Call of Duty circa 2007. This is to help you make sure that they aren't too tight when, you're moving around, since you're not gonna taper them and then just stand there like a motionless mannequin, right? Replace the clothespins with sewing pins at the locations and depth that you marked on your chinos. And write those measurements down so you know roughly how much to take off next time of a similar pair. Oh, and see how my pin is stabby side facing right? Yeah, that's good, because it's gonna make it so much easier to remove when we sew these pants. Use these settings, which are also down in the description, and don't panic. Any used $50 sewing machine can do this. I've got tutorials galore, so have fun binge watching. Start off with a back stitch to lock your stitch in and sew right up to that first pin, then remove it before continuing. Don't sew over it unless you want to recreate a scene from Final Destination. Remember the highway scene from number 2? I still don't drive behind big trucks with logs. Gradually pivot your chinos towards the next pin, very smooth, not jerky. Remember, that very last pin is telling us that we need to be done with our taper, so once you're close, just dance right on that edge and gradually merge that new stitch with the old. By the time you're at that pin, you want to have them like ebony and ivory, just living together in perfect harmony. This is our new stitch, and I kind of wavered a little bit in the middle here, but it's all good. It's gonna pass a 3-foot test with flying colors. This is the outside, and you can see where our stitch merges with that factory stitch, and we're gonna take care of that in a second. Grab your scissors and cut off about 5/8 of an inch or 15 millimeters from that edge. And no, it does not have to be exact at all. We just need enough left to prevent any fraying, which is all of this nastiness right here. This is gonna disintegrate in the washing machine. So let's run over that mofo with a zigzag stitch using these settings, again, in the description. As you can see, the needle now moves side to side, overlapping that edge and preventing it from fraying even further. It's like voodoo magic. This is the finished zigzag stitch. This is what it looks like after running over with my clearly too hot iron. And you can't even tell where the new stitch ends or the old one begins, huh? Let's go pair it with a tailored dress shirt. It's in the next video. I'll see you over there. SD out, deuces.